Good afternoon, everyone. So as what I have said this morning, we will make a rain cloud experiment. So these are the materials that we're going to use. So we have here the green color, so it represents the water. So I just put some color on it so it won't make so boring. We also have the purple one. So this is the purple one. So it also represents the water. So we also have the yellow one. Okay, so this is yellow. Yeah, like that. So this is yellow. Thank you for that. And this is pink. Okay, so this is pink. Very good. We also have the shaving cream, which represents our cloud. Okay, so you will see later on what is the use of this. So this represents our cloud. And also, we have a jar of water with me. So this is a jar of water. So it represents the water bank and the collection of water on Earth. So this is water in a jar of water. And the last one is the syringe. So we will use this to get those colored water on the jar, okay? Okay, so let's start our experiment. So we have here a jar of water. So all we have to do is to put the representation of our clouds here. So you just have that on top, like, you make sure that it looks like a cloud, and then you put there. So this becomes our cloud, so it represents the cloud. So this becomes our mixture now. So we have here the water system here, and this represents our cloud here. And we put on the colored water that represents the gas, okay, when it precipitates, okay. So let's get those water here. So let's put it here first. Okay. So the first one, I have the green color. So this is all water, but I just put some color on it so that it won't make so boring. So I just put it here. You gradually put the water there. Yeah, and as you can see, this happens when the clouds cannot bring all the gases and it precipitates. So that's what happened. And now let's get the other colors. Hot pink with me. Oh wow, as you can see, well, look at the raindrops. They are still dropping. So I put here the colored pink here on the top. So this happens when the clouds cannot hold anymore the gases. So yeah, it looks like that. Made. And okay, let's add more color, okay? Let's get the yellow one. Okay, so our clouds are now melting. So now let's add a yellow one. So like that. So in this representation, it gives you an explanation of how raindrops get into the ground. And this is the color, the last color that we want. So this is the clouds, and this represents the water. Here, so all you have to do is to drop those things there. And yeah, so that's what happens. So it represents the rain, okay? So that's how the rain made. Okay, why there's rain? Because of that. So this is our cloud, and all the colors represent the water, so it goes down here. So I hope that you learned something today, and thank you so much for listening. And this is the texture. Okay, so this is the texture. If you want to see it, I'll take a picture of it later on. Goodbye!